Hi, my name's Steve Fisher. I'm in the sales program here at HGR Industrial Surplus. Been doing this for 23 years. I'd like to take one moment to talk to you about the Treat It Like It's Yours program that we have here at HGR. We started the program several years ago, and it's more about a way of thinking about when you as a forklift operator are loading or unloading equipment. We load or unload 34 million pounds of inventory every single year here at HGR. And it's always imperative that you take your time and you do the small things that make it go as smoothly as possible. So the Treat It Like It's Yours program is more of a mindset. We want you to think of this stuff as being yours. That is one of the things that happens around here sometimes if we're not careful. Some of the situations that we want you to take a look at and try to avoid is when you are coming down an aisle and you swing around into the aisle. Take it slow so that machines or pieces that you have on a skid don't slide off the skid. We also want you, whenever you're picking a machine up, make sure you take a look at the machine, make sure you're picking it up at a place where you're not going to damage some gauges or pumps and this kind of thing. And also when you're chaining it up, the same thing goes. We want you to take a look at it, make sure when you're chaining it up that you're not chaining it up in a position that's going to break a gauge or any kind of a pump that's on that machine. Another thing is the handles. Whenever you're going into a machine, like a lathe, or a mill, or a grinder, make sure you leave enough room so that your mast is not hitting those handles and breaking them or bending the shafts that go into the machines themselves. And one of the final thoughts is also when you are putting machines away in aisles, do not push them with your forks into a machine that's sitting behind you, because all that does is scratch and dent the machine that you're pushing on, and it also tends to damage the machine that's sitting behind it whenever you push it into that machine. So those are some of the things that we want you to try to avoid. Make a note that this is something that we don't want to happen, and always, always treat it like it's yours.